Canada ground, proceed via Romeo.
Proceed by Romeo, thank you. Ground Delta 48 Heavy, Kilo Foxtrot Alpha with Romeo taxi.
Delta 40 Heavy, Canada ground, runway 31 left. Give way to the CRJ, taxi left, Bravo, hold short, Kilo.
Tower, good evening, American 2899 on the visual 31 right.
Bravo short.
American 2899, can you stay on the 31 right, clear to land?
Clear to land 31 right, American 2899.
Delta 496, follow the traffic straight ahead. Monitor tower 11901.
Follow the traffic, it was 1191 Delta 496.
Delta 1134, continue Yankee, then at Juliet, follow the company Airbus 220, monitor tower 11901.
Alright, Yankee, follow company Airbus on Juliet in the 1901 Delta Olympus.